Does muscle discomfort in the neck mean that you're being exposed to dangerous forces? Hi guys, welcome to the MedFitness Minute. This is a common mindset or concern among adults who train their neck. I've got the Rogers 5-way neck machine behind me here. We use this machine every day to train the cervical spine here at MedFitness. Consumers often believe that as fatigue increases and they feel that muscle discomfort, that somehow corresponds to more force or dangerous force being exposed to the cervical spine. And of course it doesn't. The force you're exposed to on the last rep, which is a challenging, uncomfortable rep, is the same as the force you're exposed to on rep 1. That's not changing. What's changing is the fatigue and the muscle is climbing and you're feeling that discomfort. So do not be discouraged. Don't be worried. Your neck is safe. What is important is that you're training your neck consistently and you're training at a high enough effort level to stimulate improvements in the strength of the muscles and the other soft tissues. So don't worry about discomfort. Your neck is actually getting stronger and healthier, and you'll experience decreased risk for degenerative diseases of the spine.